Dear students, today I am going to discuss some questions in physics and it is ABC of physics 2. Previously I mentioned you that the topic in physics will be ABC of physics 1, 2, 3 like that. So it is ABC of physics 2. The first question is, why aren't solid bodies perfectly rigid? Answer is, it is so because they can be stressed, compressed and bent when a sufficiently large external force is applied on it. Second question is, who discovered the law of elasticity? Answer is Robert Hooke, an English scientist, discovered the law of elasticity. It says, "At tensio sic vis." This is a Latin expression and it means as the distortion show the force. This law led the of basis for studies of stress and strain and for understanding the elastic materials. Third question is, who devised a method for measuring atmospheric pressure? Answer is Italian scientist Evangelista Torricelli, whose birth was in 1608 and death in 1647, devised for the first time a method for measuring atmospheric pressure. Fourth question is, who invented the catapult, whose Hindi meaning is gulel? Answer is Archimedes, whose birth was in 287 BC and death in 212 BC. A Greek philosopher, mathematician, scientist, and engineer, invented the catapult and devised a system of pulleys and levers to handle heavy loads. Fifth question is, what is a Venturi meter? Answer is, the Venturi meter is a device to measure the flow speed of incompressible fluid. Sixth question is, what is dynamic lift? Answer is, dynamic lift is the force that acts on a body such as airplane, wing, a hydrofoil, or a spinning ball by virtue of its motion through a fluid. Seventh question is, what are different types of thermal expansion? Answer is, the expansion in length is called linear expansion. The expansion in area is called area expansion or superficial expansion. The expansion in volume is called volume expansion or cubical expansion. So these are the three thermal expansions. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.